Hello friends, if you are working with agile projects, I am sure you definitely heard about Jira tool. So Jira is a bug tracking and a project management tool for the agile teams. It is developed by Atlassian and currently is used in 122 countries with more than 75,000 customers. It is rich in lot of features, but in this video we are going to see few alternatives with their advantage and disadvantage compared to Jira, along with their prices. Friends, if you are new to this channel, please browse few other videos, and if you find value, please do subscribe and don't forget to like this video. So let's get started. Number 5 in our list is backlog. Yes friends, that's the name of the tool, backlog. So the key feature of this tool is the projects are easily managed with different tasks, subtasks, have useful task attributes like versions, milestones, priorities, and progresses. It uses Kanban, Gantt, and a burn down chart to visualize and manage workflows. A built-in wiki allows users to document processes, meeting notes, and make edits and track changes. Both web-based and self-hosted versions are available and can be used by iOS and Android apps. The major clients which are using this particular tool is SoftBank and Adobe. So prices, free version is available and next level is available for $35 per month, which is include 30 users. So the self-hosted version is also available starting at around $1,200 per year for 20 users. So some of the advantage over Jira is it's easy to set up and start running quickly. It's a very simple interface that new user find quick to learn and use. The backlog has both wiki and git SVN built in and include users, so you don't have to purchase them separately, unlike the Bitbucket and Confluence. And backlog comes with an unlimited user plan, which is cost effective for larger or smaller teams. The only disadvantage over Jira is that backlog has a fewer integration compared to Jira. Let's check out the website. The number 4 in our list is Vrick. So it's a cloud-based collaboration software that is used across any business. So it is suitable for any teams which are using the waterfall model or the agile model or any other model. The key features include the dashboard can be organized in a single view using a drag and drop facility. That's a very good attribute in this particular tool. You can visual timelines, provide a view of the project schedule and accordingly organize the resources effectively. It's a very easy built various reports using built-in templates. The customizable dashboard allows the user to create a view of a critical projects or task. And it has a seamless integration with email and allow tagging your teammates to send updates on different projects. So the basic plan is free with a simple and shared task list of a small team around 5 users. It come along 2 GB storage space. Basic integration with Google Drive, Dropbox is easily available with this Rick. The advantage over Jira is Rick is available for freelance as well. It has a strong reporting for such as financial reporting, resource reporting, and etc. Rick arranges all information in a sequential manner in folder and subfolder for easier sharing. Cross-project resources allocation is easily available. Two-step auth secure critical project details. So the security part is pretty good. Rick manages expenses and can set on an hourly rate. So it's again an advantage if someone is using Rick compared to Jira. The disadvantage over Jira is Rick has a quite complex user interface when compared to Jira. For learning Rick, a user has to take quite a lot of efforts when compared to Jira. Rick does not provide support to small size business. However, Jira support provide for all types of business, whether it's a small, medium, or enterprise business, and it does not support burn down charts. That's a major disadvantage which I can see compared to Jira. Let's check out the website. The number 3 in our list is Bugzilla. I am sure a lot of people heard about this. So Bugzilla is a web-based bug tracking tool developed by the Mozilla project. It provides a wide range of projects management and issue tracking features. Its key features include it's an open source manual testing bug tracking tool, and it supports various operating systems such as Windows, Unix, Linux, and etc. Its optimized database for improved performance. It is available in multiple languages. It integrates email capabilities and reports are scheduled that can be sent via email. Pricing Bugzilla is a free bug tracking tool. It is licensed at no cost for free commercial and non-commercial use under the Mozilla Public Licensing. So advantage over Jira, it's an open source and a free bug tracking tool. So no monthly annual fee is associated with it. So it's pretty good advantage. And it's have an effective and powerful search facility that is lacking in Jira. Security patches are published by the Bugzilla team on a frequent basis, and it helps to reduce the cost by providing IT support, telephone support, etc. Disadvantage over Jira, drag and drop issues prioritization is not available in Bugzilla, but that is supported by Jira. A server-side load is low when compared to Jira. Jira provides a more simple and a convenient access control permission system, but Bugzilla has a quite tedious process to grant access. Jira security risk is higher than Bugzilla due to client-server JavaScript code. Bugzilla has a no fancy user interface and is not changed over the years. Jira user interface is far better than Bugzilla and a lot of efforts has been put to make it fancy user-friendly. Yes, these are the disadvantages over Jira. Let's check out the website. The number 2 in our list is Trello. Again, it's most popular project management tool that is currently available in the market. So it is having an interactive and a lightweight project management tool. It is easy and simple user interface to manage your project. Trello dashboard allow the users to organize and prioritize their project in a flexible manner. And the key features include Trello has a built-in mechanism for file uploading, commenting, drag and drop facility. Trello has a separate board for company overview, new hire onboarding, editorial calendar, etc. It can be integrated with Dropbox and Drive. The maximum size that can be attached to Trello is 10 MB. And Trello also supports a lot of mobile platforms such as iOS and Android. A free plan comes with unlimited board list, card, members, checklist, and attachments. The advantage over Jira, Trello is available in both the premium and a subscription model. It has standard free edition as well as business class and enterprise edition. Trello version is suitable for small, medium, and a large business. Along with that, it is also suitable for freelancer. It forecasts the resources needed. Few of the disadvantages over Jira. Trello does not provide online and over phone support. It does not provide a real-time reporting, but Jira provides such reporting. It does not support Gantt charts. Trello is not mainly designed for the agile development project, but it uses the idea of a board for project and cards for the task. Trello users must remember the short codes for a requirement format as the Trello does not support a visual editor for formatting. These are the few disadvantages, and the major clients are Adobe, TripAdvisor, Anytime Fitness, etc. Let's check out the website. The number one in our list is Asana. So Asana is another leader in the software industry and can be an alternative to Jira due to its simple user interface, easy navigation, and constant delivery of a high critical functionalities. It is a web-based tool that allows the users to manage their project tasks online without using emails. So its key features include that it is highly customizable, that is, you can customize your project task, subtask, workspace easily. Repetitive tasks are automatically set as a recursive task, so it means the task which needs to be completed more than once is set as a recursive task. So tasks and calendars are in sync with the real-time update. So it cut down the number of emails and messages which are moving between the team member for project discussion by creating a notification group. So basic pricing include dashboard, basic search up to 15 users. Its major advantages over Jira is Asana is a free and open source tool. Asana dashboard is simple but efficient with every users having individual credentials to follow improvements. The dashboard view is customizable. It stores conversation for reporting purposes. Asana provides the project view permission to the external parties. It is available for freelance as well. Asana support a wide range of integration through APIs and partnership, which is not possible for Jira. Disadvantage over Jira. Multiple team members cannot assign to the same task that is doable in Jira. Asana does not support Scrum and Kanban methodology. It does not provide full support, but Jira do that. Asana does not provide the facility to track the time to complete a single task. The ready workflow in Jira helps the team to kick off in no time, and that is not supported in Asana. Asana deployment is not supported on cloud, while it is the great feature of Jira. Let's check out the website. Friends, in comment section, do provide which agile project management tool you are using currently in your project. Friends, I hope you have learned something new today. Please give a thumbs up in a form of like. Bye. Have a nice day.